and documentary.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is all about airplane travel. I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about flying, but personally, I love it. There's something magical about soaring through the clouds and experiencing the world from a whole new... So, let's talk about some of my favorite things about airplane travel. Part 1. Airport Adventures. For me, the airport experience is part of the fun of airplane travel. I love people, watching and taking in all the different sights and sounds. Plus, there are always some cool shops and restaurants to check out while you're waiting. And of course, there's the thrill of anticipation as you wait to board your flight. Part 2. In-flight entertainment. Once you're on the plane, it's time to relax and enjoy the flight. One of my favorite things about modern airplane travel is the in-flight entertainment. Most airlines have a wide selection of movies, TV shows, and games to choose from. And if you're lucky enough to be flying first class or business class, you might even have a private screen and a wider selection of entertainment options. Views from above. One of the best things about flying is the incredible views from above. You can see the world from a whole new perspective, and it's truly breathtaking. Whether you're flying over mountains, oceans, or cities, the view from the airplane window is always something special. Travel comfortably. Now, I know that airplane travel can sometimes be uncomfortable, especially if you're in economy class. But there are a few things you can do to make the experience more comfortable. First of all, make sure you dress comfortably and wear layers, as the temperature on the plane can vary. You can also bring your own neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs to help you relax and get some sleep. And if you're on a long-haul flight, consider upgrading to a seat with more legroom, or even a lie. Flatbed. Meeting new people. Another great thing about airplane travel is the opportunity to meet new people. Whether you strike up a conversation with your seatmate or chat with the flight attendants, you never know who you might meet on a flight. I've had some really interesting conversations with fellow travelers and even made a few new friends along the way. Getting away from it all. Finally, airplane travel can be a great way to disconnect from the stresses of everyday life. Once you're on the plane, there's not much you can do except relax and enjoy the ride. You don't have to worry about emails, phone calls, or social media notifications. It's a chance to take a break from the constant stream of information and just be in the moment. So those are some more reasons why I love airplane travel. It's not always perfect, but for me, the upsides far outweigh the downsides. I hope this video has given you a new appreciation for the joys of flying. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel-related content.